Jorge didn't believe me when I told him it's raining. What time is it, baby? 5:45? It's a little before 6 anyway.
We're still going to walk. We're going for a walk.
I told him, are we going to take a big umbrella? We love it when it rains. We just love it. Because all our plants get watered and the grass in the backyard gets watered. And our gentle garden gets greener. Tweet, 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 tweet. Buddy, what do you think about this? We might have to go for a walk a little later. Lately, we just never know when it's going to rain. It could be at night, it could be in the morning, it could be during the day. But this is pretty much the rainy season here in Querétaro, so we'll be getting rains for at least another, I guess, a couple of months. Okay, you all have a good day.